so glad we found a new home after the monsters took our last forest away.
This is all we have left of our beautiful habitat.
They come in, they take our trees, they take our homes, they take our friends. All for what?
Palm oil.
Don't they have enough already? Every day they rip through our forest, tearing down our trees, destroying everything in its path.
Do they not know we have feelings and families, yet they keep coming?
They don't know how much we need the forest, our habitat, and how much the forest needs us.
Rainforests truly are beautiful. Look up at the tops of the green trees and feel the warmth and the wet.
This is our home. This is what we need to survive, live, and to enjoy.
Those humans, those monsters, they're full of greed. Hectare by hectare, they take our forests, our friends, our family.
Can you hear that?
No, it can't be.
They've come to take our forest again.
Run! We need to warn the others.
One by one, the trees are bulldozed. There's nothing left. No trees, no rainforest, no home.
This isn't fair.